A great way to naturally support healthy immunity is with herbal tea blends based on traditional Chinese herbalism. Teas are just as effective as capsule supplements and are a fraction of the cost, making them much more accessible. According to the traditional Chinese medicine theory, warm drinks are the best way to keep the body working in harmony. In North America, we love our cold drinks, but in many places throughout the world, most drinks are served warm or hot. In traditional Chinese medicine, it's thought that warm water and non-caffeinated beverages promote the flow of blood, soothe bloating, fight fatigue, and keep the body able to maintain its optimal core temperature. Cold drinks force the body to work overtime to get back to its normal temperature. Non-caffeinated beverages like herbal tea deliver more than just nutrition. They can help support the body and keep organs hydrated. All of our teas can be made into iced tea, and we, of course, can still enjoy cold drinks. But at times when your body needs to work overtime to keep you healthy, it's a good practice to incorporate a few warm drinks into your everyday routine. A warm cup of tea is comforting and soothing at all times of the year. The concept of how the immune system works in traditional Chinese medicine is different than how we understand it in the West. Each organ and organ system in the body has its own specialized kind of qi, and our immune defense system is broken down into 3 categories: Wei qi, Ying qi, and Yuan qi. Each of the systems work together, supporting each other, and they're all affected by the foods that we eat, the activities that we do, and how we care for our bodies. The Wei Qi is the outer defense system of our bodies. One surefire way to support our Wei Qi is by keeping the body healthy with exercise. In colder months, be sure to do less strenuous forms of exercise and always be sure to stay nice and warm. Even a brisk walk outside daily can do wonders to support your Wei Qi. The nutrition we take in supports Ying Qi. The most nutritious foods are fruits, vegetables, and herbs. The herbs we use in crafting traditional Chinese teas are all highly nutritious and support the Ying Qi. Many are of great interest to the scientific community for their unique and powerful nutrition in modern times. The kidneys are one of the most important organs in traditional Chinese medicine, and they power Yuan Qi. For most people, simply staying properly hydrated, well-nourished, and making sure to get the right amount of exercise is the best way to support the health of your kidneys. Here are some of the best herbs that we recommend for supporting healthy immunity. Astragalus is probably best known in traditional Chinese medicine for keeping immunity in top shape all year round. This superfood has been found by modern science to have an abundance of nutritional compounds that actively support the immune system, but has also been used for centuries in food and folk medicine. It's always a good idea to take astragalus when you know that cold and flu season is coming. Using astragalus in your everyday routine is a nice, natural way to keep your immunity strong. Honeysuckle is a flower that even people in North America are familiar with, but it's also an excellent source of healthy, immunity-supporting nutrition. In traditional Chinese medicine, this herb supports the lungs, which in turn circulate the body's defensive qi. All herbs have different temperature properties in traditional Chinese medicine. Due to its cooling nature, honeysuckle is good for clearing excessive heat and forcing out pathogens. Overall, honeysuckle is great for balancing yin and yang in the body, and it's a great go-to for cold and flu season. Using a traditional herbal formula like triple immune support can give a gentle boost to help get you through the day. This blend nourishes and soothes, so it's totally okay to drink a bit more when you need it the most. We also have a few other seasonal support and immunity teas, which you can check out on our website. During cold and flu season, exercising extra caution by washing your hands frequently and following your doctor's recommendations are extremely important. Remembering to care for your body by staying hydrated with warm, non-caffeinated drinks, gentle exercise, and eating nourishing foods are all simple things we can do at home to protect ourselves and promote a healthy immune system.